This is your YouTube search history. You can delete it one by long pressing an item and tapping remove. And here's your YouTube watch history. You can also delete videos individually by tapping the 3 dots next to a video and selecting Remove from Watch History. But let's be real, that's gonna take forever if you've got tons of search or watch history. Don't worry, I've got you. Here's how to clear everything at once. First, open the History tab in the YouTube app. Then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. If you only want to delete your watch history, just select Clear All Watch History. If you want to wipe out both search and watch history, choose Manage All History. Next, tap Delete. Select Delete All Time and confirm by tapping Delete again. And boom, you're done. Now all your YouTube search and watch history is completely wiped. So the next time you want a clean slate on YouTube, just follow these steps and you're good to go. If this tutorial was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.